Okay, jumping into another video today. The market is having a slight pullback, but I'm telling you, this is bullish now. If you're not fully invested, if there's some altcoins that are being rocketing that you've not had entries in, this is where you get entries. These dips are for buying in this market, certainly until proven otherwise. Look how far we are up from our all-time highs on Google Trends, just for searches for crypto. We're nowhere near all-time highs. So any pullbacks we get here are just for buying this market. This is low IQ, left scale, degen season. So I want to show you some meme coins today. What is a good entry on TOSHI? What I think is a good entry, not financial advice, and where I am bidding. I've actually already bidded and got some orders filled, but then straight after I've done it, I came to you guys with this video because I wanted to make sure you guys have all the information in the market, because like I said, no sleep season in crypto. We want to be catching these moves because just a few of these trades, just a few of these altcoins can absolutely change your life. And you might think you're late to some of these altcoins, but I want to show you today how we're still so early and how high these can go in terms of market cap. So let's jump into the video today and look at TOSHI. So first, when you look at searching for Google Trends, we're spiking up now. However, when you compare that to where we were in 2021, even the fall of 2022, how high crypto was spiking in terms of search times for people with interest from the retail compared to where we are now, it is just a dramatic difference. Looking at searches for altcoins as well, even in the past 12 months, the red here is Dogecoin. Dogecoin had a much higher spike back in April 2023, and we're nowhere near that now. So we can see Dogecoin is red, SHIB is blue, and then meme coins, we are starting to see this uptrend. So you can tell that interest is peaking here. We don't want to fade this. You don't want to be missing this out. You don't want to be stuck holding XRP or HBAR when they're just dead narratives and people aren't paying attention to. You want to be chasing the hype, chasing the narratives, not FOMOing long, but just holding now, knowing that you could face some drawdown. But in the long term, this is going to play out. Now, I don't want to hold any drawdown. I'm a trader, so I will be looking to trade into these, ride the momentum, sell, rebuy, but have some spot bags as well. Okay, TOSHI here. If you look at a blank chart, we can see this daily candle. We dropped 40% here, actually more from where we opened. 44%, but this has been quickly bought up. I want to show you guys why I think this is a good level of bid. If it's given again today, why I think it's a good entry and where you put your invalidation, your stop loss if it go lower. But I think we can target much, much higher on TOSHI here. Okay, if we're to look at a clean chart of TOSHI, you can see how far this has come, how degen this is. We had this here, this initial peak. We came down here, we rejected from it, we broke above it, and we retested. Now, this exact fractal is happening right now. So when we see this candle in the 40% dump, it's scary to think, oh, you're using 40% of your TOSHI bag, but this is just a common retest here. We can see once we broke out of here, we had this again, these highs. We're struggling to get above. We initially did, we retested, and we absolutely rocketed, and now we've came down here and retested again. So huge confluence there. A retest like here is where you want to buy if you're not fully filled on TOSHI and if you're bullish on this. So if we look at volume profiles, what can they really tell us here? Well, we got a volume profile down here. TOSHI's not going to drop down there. Not financial advice, but I don't see us dropping 92% anytime soon. So this can't really tell us anything. So we have to be creative. How can we take advantage of this? Where can we get our key levels based off our volume profiles? So initially, we can target the range where the initial pump started. So the initial pump of the move was down here, and we kind of have not looked back since. So we can take a volume profile from here, the lows, where this move started, and look to where we are today. And where do we have exactly that? We had this top level here. We're struggling to get above. Cap below. Price didn't close above this until we did here, and we absolutely rocketed. Now prices come down and retest this. It's actually extremely healthy. As long as price can stay above here, stay above this value area high, bullish news. Now also we have this leg here, this bullish move here. If we were to put a volume profile on this, it will also give us some key levels to look out for. And where did they come in? We had value area high, point of control, and then most importantly for the context of where we are, this value area low right here. So it tells us that this region has a lot, just change the color to blue, a lot of confluence for us. We want a bid price here, we want a buy price here, and we don't want price to close below here. Below that, we actually retested a monthly open, and we're above our quarterly open and yearly open. So extremely bullish news. So that is why I bid this level. I've got filled more of my bags here of TOSHI, and I'm looking to sell much, much higher. Using the MPLs from Sistine Research, which is highly recommend you follow their channel, we can look to isolate where the incentives are to buy and sell for trading on leverage on Toshi. And here we have the overlap of the 2x short. So you cannot short Toshi below this anymore and hide your stop loss above here. So what happens? The incentive to short dries up because this is here we have it, a 50% move. So 50% on 2x leverage would be 100%. So you'd be liquidated if price was to go back up here. And then we also long leverage. You can know when price gets under here, you can look to long Toshi on 2x leverage and hide your stop loss below there. So big incentives here. So that absolutely marries up with the levels we had here. Okay, so that is exactly why I bid this level here on Toshi. Extremely bullish on this alt, this meme. What other memes are you guys bullish on? If you can remember, we actually did a video on Toshi before, and we predicted this level precisely. So that's where I'd originally taken profits and where I'm scaling them back in. We've done a trend-based FIB extension from the low to the high to look at if we broke out, where would we go? We predicted the 1272, and yeah, we hit that perfectly. So that was TP1 for me. I had most of my profits at 1.618. We didn't quite get there, but I've already added back in the position that I took out here, and I've added them back in so I can scale out when we get back up here again, which would be 162% of this move. And then our ultimate target would be up here, which would be, yeah, where we scale back in. If you're looking at the position there, 300%. So if 100% is 2x, that'd be 4x on this move. So huge move, extremely bullish on Toshi. However, when we look at this in terms of market cap, I think Toshi can go much, much higher than just a 4x this cycle. If we look at the current market cap is, yeah, not even 100 million, which, yeah, you think might seem high for a meme coin with no utility. However, look at Doge last cycle. This is Doge by market cap. Doge went to an all-time high market cap, not 100 million. This went up to, let's see, you can even stop on the top here. I'm getting close enough there, 75 billion. SHIB was up here at, what's the top there? It's above 40 billion. Massive. If we took the mean, so somewhere in the average of the bull run, if we take the mean of the last bull run on SHIB, we're somewhere around here, let's say 18 billion. So when Toshi's at 100 million, you know, you just have things, the scale of how high this can go. You're not late, guys, to this bull run. The mean on Dogecoin, will say it's the average is somewhere around here, 30 billion. So the sky is the limit for if you pick the right altcoin early, you hold it with conviction. It might be Toshi, it might be Brett is another one coming out. And there's so many here, guys. Let me in the comments know which altcoins you're bullish on. Cheers, guys.